If you own a 2024 or newer Can-Am Spyder F3 and you've been searching for an easy way to power your low-amperage 12-volt accessories, you're going to love this mod. Introducing the TricLED 12-volt Accessory Power Harness. This harness is 100% plug-and-play, works on all 2024 and newer Spyder F3 models, and gives you a quick and convenient way to connect your favorite 12-volt accessories, like LED accent lights, wireless phone chargers, and more. Each kit includes a terminal block that supports up to 3 12-volt mods. Now follow our team as we walk you through the installation process.
Before you begin, ensure that your bike is parked on level ground, the ignition is off, and your parking brake is engaged. Start by locating and disconnecting the factory connector on the right side of your Spyder. It's located near the inside of your A-arm, directly behind the battery. It's usually capped and unused. Add some dielectric grease to your new accessory harness and connect it to the bike. Then reuse the cap to cover the unused connector. If the factory connector is already in use for OEM accessories, simply unplug the existing connectors and insert the accessory harness in line to tap into power. Next, route the accessory harness over to the access panel on the left side of the bike. Be sure to zip tie the harness away from any and all moving parts or hot engine components. Once your wiring run is complete, flip the ignition back on and test to be sure that you have a 12-volt signal at the lever locks. Red is positive and blue is negative. To connect your mods, turn off your ignition, lift up on a red and blue lever lock, strip the end of the wires from your mod, then connect positive to positive and negative to negative and push down to secure each lever lock into place. Now your accessories will turn on and off with the ignition. The manufacturer recommends to always make sure that the total current draw of your connected mods does not exceed 5 amps, or you risk overloading the circuit and popping the fuse.
In our opinion, this is a must-have mod for any Spyder F3 owner. It's easy to use, easy to install, and a no-brainer if you need a quick 12-volt power connection. Get yours today at slingmods.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with everything on 3 wheels. Thanks for watching.